Alright guys, welcome to part 3 of the Yokomo build here. The Drift Yokomo build. One thing that you guys should probably have is a pair of these. I think they called pliers. I don't know if that's true. We'll see. And a Phillips screwdriver. I think these are all things that are going to be important while building this kit. And also I challenge all of you to do one more thing, which is, as I've said before, if you have an old RC car or RC vehicle or robot or anything that is broken and you don't know what to do with it, don't throw it in a landfill. Let me know. I will take care of it. Especially if you are around the Woodbridge, Irvine, California, Woodbridge area, I will even come to your house and pick it up because I don't want it to go into the landfill. I'll rather fix it and bring it back to life. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.